I just on Diana get so many points. I just got the Stingray 100, and I buy the racer alien. It's called Hello Asian. Just give me, Papa. Okay, this one. What kind of Mickey figure we have?
What is that?
This is an alien. We must flip it. Count 1, 2, 3.
Ta-da!
Look at this. Just 1, 2, 3, 4,
Wait,
5,
like a singing
6.
monster.
This
Like a singing
and
monster.
this one have one eyes, and this have two eyes, and this 3 eyes. Now it's opening from behind.
So the picture, itu warna apa saja coba?
Oh yeah. This one are yellow,
Yellow.
one are red and red, and this color green, pink and red, and this color purple and blue, and this color green and orange, and this color purple, blue and yellow. Where's opening?
Okay.
Is that open?
Yeah, open.
Now we need something like a machine. I can flip it. Only this.
Need help?
Nope. I already open it. Oh my god, I see the one.
So hard. Finally.
Now we open this because I already opened. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god.
Nice. Whoa.
Look at
Finally.
this. Look at the monsters. Oh, there's an opening. There's an opening.
What a two. Whoa. Nah, coba kasih stand up. Kasih stand up ya.
This is. Let's put it all of them right here.
Berdiri.
Now
Kasih
look
stand
at
up.
it. Now this one already stand up.
Ada namanya.
Oh my god. This guy is standing. Now this one is sitting one.
Ih.
Cute. How about this?
Tada. Ini
Can I
falling.
Wait, there is not stand up.
Cannot. Tidak bisa. Cannot. Oh.
Put it the last one.
The last one. Oh, same too.
Now we must put it right here.
Then
The one eyes is right here. One eyes, 2 eyes, 2 eyes, 3 eyes.
whose
One.
name? Yeah. Whose name
I
is?
wanna call his name is Peppa Pig.
Okay, next.
And then I will call him
Call him
Yuri.
Bluey.
Yuri.
Oh.
Yuri.
Okay, next.
Oh, Bluey.
Blue.
Bluey.
Next.
Now I can call his name is Pucci Dupsy.
Okay, next. Next. Aduh.
I will call him his name Bubble. And I will call this spike one is Gadabi. Now the
Then,
last one is Toot 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 Toot.
Okay.
If you wanna buy this, if you want this, go to Diana Fest and make so many points. I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye bye.